Wrong floor. Excuse me, I think I'm on the wrong floor.
Oh, which floor are you trying to get to?
The 8th floor.
You're on the 5th.
I misread the display.
That happens a lot. The numbers can be hard to see.
I pressed 5 instead of 8.
Easy mistake, don't worry.
Is the elevator just around the corner?
Yes, right behind you.
Thanks, I felt a bit lost for a second.
Are you staying on the 8th floor?
Yes, room 812.
Oh, my friend is an 812. It's a corner room with extra windows.
Lucky them.
The 8th floor is the quietest. You won't hear street noise.
That's perfect. I can't wait to see the view.
Sunset is the best time.
I'll be sure to catch it.
Are you here for a conference?
No, just a weekend getaway.
That sounds lovely. Any plans?
I'm visiting the museum tomorrow.
Go early to avoid the line.
Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Here is the elevator.
Great, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hiring domestic services.
Hello. Crystal clear cleaning. How can I help?
Hi, I need to hire a cleaning service.
You called the right place.
I've never hired professionals before.
No problem. I'll walk you through it. What type of cleaning do you need?
What are the options?
Standard cleaning, deep cleaning, or post-renovation cleaning.
What's the difference?
Standard is routine upkeep, floors, surfaces. Kitchen counters, basic bathroom sanitizing.
And deep cleaning?
That covers baseboards, ovens, vents, like a seasonal scrub.
Post-renovation?
Removing construction dust and debris.
I think I just need standard cleaning maybe twice a month.
Great! Which day works best?
Wednesdays in the afternoon around 2 p.m.
Perfect. Well schedule. That how big is your home?
3 bedrooms, about 1,500 square feet.
That usually takes 2 people around. 3 hours. The fee is $120 per visit, including taxes.
Sounds good. What exactly is covered?
All living areas, kitchen, and up to 2 bathrooms.
Do I provide the vacuum?
No, we bring all equipment.
I have a dog. Is that okay?
Absolutely. We're pet-friendly.
Great, he's very friendly.
Wonderful. Will you be there to let us in?
Either I can be there or use a lockbox.
Lockboxes are secure. We use them for most clients.
Perfect. When's the earliest you can start?
Next Wednesday at 2 p.m.
Great, see you then.
Thank you. We will take care of everything for you.
Pipeline emergency situation.
Hello, Swift Pipe Repair. How can I help?
Hi, have a major problem. My toilet is overflowing.
Is the water reaching the floor?
Yes, I'm trying to mop it now.
Turn off the valve behind the toilet.
I tried, but the handle is stuck.
Use a towel for better grip.
Okay, I think I got it to stop.
Good. Any other leaks?
No, just this one.
Sounds like a blockage in the main line.
Can you send someone right away?
Yes, we have a technician nearby.
That would be amazing.
He can be there by 400. And third tip him. What's your address?
156 Willow Lane Condo. Second floor bus to 104.
Got a diagnostic fee is ninety actual. Repair only 150-300. Got a diagnostic fee is ninety actual.
Will he give a quote first?
Yes, he'll provide it before starting.
Great. Will he check with a camera if needed?
Yes, to locate the clog precisely.
And if the simple snake doesn't work?
Then additional charges apply, but he'll give a full plan.
Perfect. Technician's name?
Gary, he'll be in a company shirt and ring the bell.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Locksmith service.
Hi, I locked myself outside the apartment.
Are you all right?
Yes, I'm just waiting in the hallway.
Don't worry, we'll be here soon.
My key is on the kitchen table.
Don't worry, we often encounter similar situations.
How quickly can I arrive here?
Where are you?
80 at Sunset Boulevard.
The will arrive in about 15 minutes. And our mobile device is completing a task nearby.
This makes me breathe a sigh of relief.
Is this a standard wooden door, locksmith?
This is a heavy metal safety door.
Is high security locked?
I think it's medical.
It is complex, but we can handle it. This should take 10 to 15 minutes.
Do you need drilling?
We try to avoid drilling holes as much as possible. Non-destructive entry is our goal.
D is perfect. Otherwise, the replacement cost would be high.
Can you provide proof of residence?
D is my ID card is inside.
Yes, to ensure high safety. The on-site service fee is £110.
Does this include unlocking full?
Yes, this is the total price.
Do you accept Venmo or cards?
Card cash or mobile payment, both are acceptable.
Should I make a spare key?
We strongly recommend that we can complete it on site.
How much does each key cost?
Charges $35 per high security key. We'll bring a spare one. The technician's name is Brian, and he'll send a text message when he comes.
D is perfect. Thank you.
You'll be inside soon.
Moving companies.
Hello, I would like to book a move.
Hello, when do you want to move?
Customers on Friday, the 22nd.
Let me check. We still have vacancies. Where is the departure address?
210 Highland Avenue.
Is there an elevator?
The service elevator has been reserved.
Okay, did it save a lot of time?
455 Oak Terrace two-story townhouse.
Are there narrow corridors or tricky areas?
Standard configuration is used in front of the door.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 2 bedrooms and 1 home office.
Do you have heavy electrical appliances?
Only 1 washing machine and 1 dryer.
Do you need packaging tape or bubble wrap for heavy-duty carts?
Yes, I would like to moving tool kits.
The estimated cost of moving a two-bedroom apartment is $750, with a maximum duration of 6 hours. 3-bedroom moving includes basic insurance.
Can I add additional insurance for my electronic devices?
Of course, the additional fee is $60.
Okay, no problem.
We arrived at noon.
Thank you. I feel much less pressure now.
No need to thank you. Please handle heavy objects properly. See you on the 22nd.
Okay.
Road rescue.
Hello, my car broke down in a deserted place.
Hello, take a deep breath. Where are you?
Near the exit of Interstate. I think it's exit 125.
Rescue heading east or west?
The driver is heading west towards the city.
Rescue arrived, tried to pull over, and move the wheels away from the traffic as much as possible. What happened before rescuing it?
There was a loud bang and smoke was coming out from under the hood.
Do not attempt to restart it. It sounds like a radiator hose has burst.
Can I drive to the store?
No rescue, the engine will overheat. Towing is the safest option.
Hello, where is the nearest garage?
Rescue is reliable about 10 miles away.
How much does it cost for the to tow a truck?
Provide 120 plus mileage rescue for non-members.
I have a silver card membership.
Rescue is amazing. The first 25 miles are free. What is your membership ID?
HH 9.9022.
Rescue you very actively. Our truck will arrive in 25 minutes. The driver is getting dark. Rescue, keep the car lights on so they can see you.
The understands. I don't have a flare, only a flashlight.
The rescue point points to traffic, and the driver's name is Kevin. He will call you when he approaches.
Thank you. I am very grateful.
Rescue is welcome. Kevin will safely take you home.
Auto repair shop.
I am worried about my car's steering.
What's going on?
It pulls to the left when I'm driving. Straight, and the wheel vibrates.
Sounds like an alignment. Issue should be about an hour.
Is it expensive?
Standard alignment is $95. Well, check tire balance too.
I hope I don't need new tires yet.
When did you last rotate them?
About 6 months ago.
Probably just array balance then.
Can you fit me in this afternoon?
We have a cancellation at 3 p.m.
Perfect, I'll take it.
You'll need your registration and keys phone number for updates.
445678.
You'll text the diagnostic report. Tire balance is $20 per tire plus $95 alignment. So around $175 total.
Does that include a safety inspection?
Yes, multi-point check is free.
How long will I be without my car?
Should be done by 5:30.
Can I wait here?
Of course, we have a comfortable waiting area.
Do you have coffee?
Yes, free coffee and wireless internet are available.
Perfect then, I can get some work done.
Many of our customers do the same. It's very convenient.
And what if something else is wrong with my car?
Don't worry, we'll always call you before doing any additional work.
Good, no accidents, then you'll get my approval first?
Absolutely, you approve everything first.
I really appreciate that.
We pride ourselves on being honest mechanics.
That's hard to find these days.
We've been here for 20 years now and have built a good reputation.
That's reassuring.
Then rest assured we'll do our best.
I'll be in the waiting area.
Perfect. I'll come to you with any messages or updates.
Thank you.
Well, take good care of your car.
Believe that. See you soon.
Yes, we'll see you shortly.